on this auspicious day, first of all, I am highly thankful. On this auspicious day, I am highly thankful to the coordinator of this librarian day and the honor on the principal and our librarian sir, that is Solanki sir. I am going to give a review on one of our textbooks which is very helpful for UG as well as PG civil engineering students. That is Handbook of Highway Engineering, written by Khanna and Justo. I have purchased this book. Actually, what does the meaning of the book review means? Book review means that I can convey what the message of this book is up to the one who I don't know, even I don't know. Actually, I can convey the message to my friends, to the ones surrounding me, by just telling them you can refer this book, you can know this. But over here, since I have got an opportunity to tell you that which books you should follow, being because we are here over here, undergraduate civil students are also over here, and they are not following the proper book. They are just following the local books like Atul and all, which you should not refer, I think. Seriously, I think you should not refer those books. So I have decided to give you a review on Khanna and Justo. I have purchased this book in my BTech third year. This is a good book. It is explained all the topics like highway geometric design, pavement design, embankment design, highway materials, road hills, traffic engineering, all these. In this book, if you refer highway engineering book, you can very well, you can get explained all the topics very well. Not only all the topics, you can also understand all the laboratory experiments. A UG student can very well understand the laboratory experiment using this book, referring this book. You can perform the experiment very well without concerning any person. So I think, but the basic suggestion, I stand nowhere since I am a beginner in this field. So I don't think that I stand nowhere. I stand nowhere to give a review to a person like Khanna and Justo. So I cannot suggest him. But I can just say that these should be certain things which should be incorporated in the book, which might have been not there, which are not being there. So as far as I think that Mr. Khanna sir and Justo sir, they have explained all the topics very well. But the traffic planning, the topic that is traffic planning, that is having and more precisely I would say traffic planning more precisely, that is modal split, trip generation, all these things. They are not explained, they are not given in the content of Khanna and Justo. So if a person has to study, I mean you have to study. Being a highway engineer, being a civil engineer, you have to study traffic engineering, traffic transportation planning. So if you have to study transportation planning, you have to purchase a separate book, that is Padiyali. But if this topic, this is a little topic, it's not a big topic. If this topic had also been incorporated in this book, then a student would have only purchased one book, and he would not go for Padiyali, because Padiyali is only referred for traffic and transportation planning. So I think that this is one of my suggestions, this is one of what I think that this should also be incorporated. Moreover, one more thing which I think is that the language of Khanna and Justo is very good. It's very easy to understand. And one thing is that there should be some color photograph should also be incorporated, because it is very helpful, it looks attractive, and the students get attracted using those color photographs. In Khanna and Justo, the CPR test and all these tests, they are not explained using color photographs. So I will conclude over here and once again I am very thankful to all of you to give me an opportunity so that my UG students can get